Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Boss Baby Beauty 16 by Jenny, and I am going to do a fall look with conspiracy palette as stated in my last videos. So the first shade I'm going to go into, you guys, is Diet Root Beer. And I generally blend out in like circle motions, you guys, and swipe back and forth. Blend to the other eye. Okay, now we are gonna go into cheese dust. Using the cheese dust. Oopsie. Do the same thing to the other eye and blend. Alright, you guys, now that we have cheese dust on our eyes, we are moving on to the next shade. Alrighty, so the next shade we are going to go into is Flaming Hot. Alright, we are going to blend it from the outer corner of the eyes going in. Okay, to the other eye. Okay, so now that we have the Flaming Hot on, I know every time I do my eye looks, they always look so crazy, huh? But at the end, they look good. And now we're gonna go into Where Is My Ride, and we're gonna start darkening up these outer corners here. Blend the other eye. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go back into Flaming Hot, and we're going to drag the red inside just a little bit. Same thing to the other eye. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. I know it looks crazy, but trust me, I have a little trick or whatever. I have a little thing I do at the end, so you'll see how it looks. Alright, so we are now Going back to the Plouise eye base, putting a little bit on my brush. And what we're going to do is only aim for the inner corners of the eye, just inside. Just up to that point, and then same thing on the other side. Okay, so now that I have the inner corners with the eye base, I am going to take Ranch and pat that on top of the eye base. Same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now that I have Ranch patted onto the inner corners of the eye, or not inner corners, but close to the inner corners of the eye. So now what we're going to do, is we are going into food videos. I know, bold, huh? But what that's actually going to do, since I put Ranch on the bottom, it's going to create a lighter yellow, so not such as a deeper yellow. So let's go over it with just food videos. Alright, now same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into food videos with a blending brush and just blend it in a little bit better into the red. Same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now that we have food videos blended in, what I am going to do is I'm going to take this damp cloth right here. It's like basically a facial cloth, and I'm going to clean the outer corners of my eye and swipe up. Just like so. Just like that, and do the same thing to the other eye. Next, we are going to complete our eyes. We're going to take a flat brush and we're going to drag some root beer, diet root beer, on the bottom of our lids. Do the same to the other eye. And then we are going to drag a little bit of cheese dust. And then we're going to go into Flaming Hot. Same thing to the other eye. And so far, this is how it's looking. So now I'm going to use the Dream Highlighter Palette by Anastasia. I'm going to dip into Sunshine and put Sunshine on the inner corner of my eye. Okay, so this is how it looks like with sunshine on the inner corners of the eye. Lashes that I am going to put on are the Jimmery lashes. These are the lengthier ones than the pink bot. I'm using the same glue as last time, which is the Secure Hold by Cardani, and you can find this on Amazon Prime. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my lips and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did my lips, and this is the final fall look of the Conspiracy palette. What do you guys think of my fall look? I did a nice red lip for fall, and if you guys are wondering what I used for my lips I used the NYX liquid lipstick lingerie, and this is in the color, where is it? Exotic. And then after that I used the Wet n Wild lip pencil, and this is, what color? I don't even know. Oh, Bear to Comet by Wet n Wild. And then afterwards I went in with the Lorlac lip gloss from the Beauty and the Beast palette, and that is it. If you guys like this look, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I'll definitely be uploading more videos since I'm on break. So also follow me on Instagram, because I do post a lot of pictures on there that you guys don't see on here, and I really hope that you enjoyed this fall look. Tag me if you do try this fall look. Once again, it was all done by the Conspiracy palette, and I hope you guys liked it. We'll see you on the next one. Bye!